Hey guys, so welcome back, and as I say, in today's video we're going to be taking a look at what you can fit inside this, basically the first detailer's backpack from Lake Country Power Tools, or Lake Country Manufacturing. I believe they've branded it all under one name now. Yeah, I've had this a few months now. I've loaded this up, so as you know, as a detailers we carry a hell of a lot of stuff onto jobs, but what if you only had one bag? What could you get in it? There's a lot of options inside here as well, so we'll quickly go through that. But yeah, first of all, I just want to say a quick thank you to Lake Country for supplying me with this, and also the machine that's inside as well, which we'll touch on shortly. And I believe you can pick these up from the likes of Clean and Shine It and many other good retailers. So yeah, let's bring you guys in and dive into the bag. So straight into it then, and first of all, front pocket, as simple as it gets. It's just a simple pocket. I have in here a notepad and pen, and that's for taking paint measurements. So I just want to say as well, I've set this up as though you're going out to polish your car with a few cleaning bits in it. So got a notepad in the front with a pen. Up here as well, you've got another front pocket, a little small one, and I have in here my paint depth gauge. You can fit in bars of clay, other little bits and bobs, bits of accessories. Maybe you want to carry some medication and leave that in there. And then we've got this side pocket as well, and in here you leave your car keys, headphones, or again some other little bits and bobs and accessories. Now, as you can probably see, there's a couple of big side pockets. Now, just as an example, you can fit these big 1 litre bottles of polish in here, so such as the 3M bottles, the massive 1 litre bottles. You can get one of them in each side, or you can get 3 of these smaller ones. So I've got Sonax, I've got 3D car care. Is it 3D car care? 3D car care, and some Sonax polishers. They fit nice and easy in the side. So there you've got between 2 and 6 bottles of polish, depending how you load those side pockets up. Nice and padded as well, just before we get onto the inside, nice and padded on the back as well. I've carried it up here, not really sweating on the back other than because of the heat. Padded and ventilated, plenty of straps as well, so you've got a strap to go around your chest there as well if you really are, you know, hauling it to a show or something along those lines. And these shoulder straps are really nice and padded as well. So enough of that, onto the first front pocket. There's a lot in this one. It really is packed out. I'll take everything out, we'll show you what. So as I say, you can get a hell of a lot in here. So first of all, we've got another inner zipped pocket just there, and in there I've got my bar of clay, so you're going to need that before you do any machine polishing. We've got a big 1 litre bottle of snow foam from Labo Cosmetica, the Primus, and a couple of these big pouches, to be fair. One on the downside shooting out here, of course, people still walking about with the dogs. And I've got some citrus tar and glue remover if you want to do some decon. And back here we've got a couple of smaller bottles, so we've got the Iron Fallout from G Technic. I'll put that back in a bit. And Garage Therapy's One car shampoo as well. Again, this is one of the larger pouches, just like the 1 litre bottle for the snow foam. Struggling to get anything in there, but you've got a lot of these tiny bottles. So if I just bring the camera around, oh, in fact, before we do, so up here we've got a selection of interior cloths as well, just in case you did any interior work. Got a glass cloth, and then a selection of brushes. You can never have too many brushes, so we've got a couple here from Valet Pro. We've got some work stuff brushes, generic soft, what I call makeup brush type. We've got a selection of brushes for dusting out all the cracks and crevices as well. So that's a lot of stuff you can get in there. As I said, we've got some more pockets. So I've moved these bottles out of the way, as I've just quickly touched on. I've got a lot of smaller pockets just over here. Hopefully you can see that. In here I've just put a selection of ceramics. They look like aftershaves. They're not aftershaves, but these videos are coming soon. So we've got Bowler Solution. We've got 1, 2, 3 ceramics in there. You could get a 4th. I've got some suede applicators and buffing cloth. So again, you're going to be using these after you've done your detail, basically. As I said, we've got smaller pockets on this side as well. That's where my 1 litre of snow foam is. And another pocket. We'll just spin the bag round. This is what we're looking at here. We've got a pocket here, a pocket over here for the G Technic to get in, shampoo, and then a selection of pockets up here, the same size as these ones. So in this section alone, we can get a hell of a lot of products. If I just cram that back in, put that in, boom, simple as that. And it's worth noting out, these zips feel really, really strong. Like, I am maxing this bag out, and these zips are strong. On to the final compartment then, and it's the main area of the bag. So, yeah, this one doesn't open fully. It doesn't, not as much as the front one. But anyway, in here, so it gets dangerous shooting outdoors. I've got some of the nicest cloths and pads around. So we've got a selection of buffing cloths just to show you how many you can get in there. So probably get more than that, but these are from Rag Company. Again, available from the likes of Clean and Shiny. Also a selection of pads, plenty of pads. So you can bring, again, I've just brought a variety out just to show you what we can get, and already I've dropped one. So your microfiber pads, your buffing, your finishing pad, should I say, the black and red one there, a foam wall cutting pad, a good old wall pad. Yeah, plenty of pad options, all from Lake Country manufacturing. And then finally, what this bag was made for. Oh, also, there's pockets inside this as well. I forgot. If I only had one polish to use on a job, and it was like a one-stage job, basically, a single day doing a single day's correction, I'm using this, the one and done compound from Turtle Wax. So, yep, that's in there. And then there's loads of Velcro straps to put your machine polish in. Obviously, you can put whatever you want in here, but in here you've also got your UDOS. So, yeah, that fits in quite comfortably. And you can carry it all, as I said, without sweating too much. Kind of get it all back in though. Oh, that reminds me as well, the bottom. Let's pick that up. It's got a nice solid plastic bottom, so you can just dump it down like I've done today. It's going to stay standing upright as well. Yeah, and you can just drop it anywhere when you go to your car shows. And it feels like the sun has gone behind some cloud cover. Amazing. Very little cloud, it's going to be beating back down on me in just a moment. I am sweating already. What did I tell you, that cloud cover didn't last long. Yeah, absolutely baking. They say it's now 9:45. It is baking today. So yeah, we're getting 36 tomorrow and Tuesday, but anyway, we're not here to talk about the weather, we're here to talk about this. So that's what I've got in the Lake Country Power Tools Detailers bag. I say it's probably the first bag designed specifically towards detailers. If you're interested in this, as I say, any good Lake Country reseller will have these in stock, or hopefully have them in stock. I think they keep flying out just as quick as the pad washers, which we'll be doing a video on that soon as well. But yeah, once again, thanks very much to Lake Country for sending this out. Again, you can pick this up from the likes of Clean and Shiny. I'm going to go back home for a well-deserved drink. So if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button. Share this around as well with anyone you think you may be interested in a tool bag like this. I think every detailer should have this, even if it's your inspection bag for pre-detail quotes and things like that, or your show bag. Also, I'll put a link up here as well to subscribe, and a couple of videos down below that we think you might enjoy. Yeah, it's absolutely baking, and I'll see you in the next one.